How to link PayPal account to Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or go to the Mint website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will land on the dashboard. Now, look at the top right side of the screen and click on the Add Account button with the plus icon. From here, you will see a pop-up window where you can search for your financial institution. In the search bar, type PayPal, then select it from the results that appear. Next, Mint will prompt you to enter your PayPal login credentials. Enter the same email and password you used to log into your PayPal account. This is required so Mint can securely access and sync your PayPal data. Once you have entered your login details, Mint may ask you to complete a verification step for added security. You might receive a security code through your email or phone number linked to PayPal. Enter the code to continue. After verification, Mint will connect to your PayPal account and begin syncing your transactions, balances, and other financial data. This may take a few moments depending on the connection speed and the amount of data in your PayPal history. Finally, once the syncing is complete, your PayPal account will appear in your Mint dashboard. And that's it. Now you know how to link PayPal account to Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.